Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to change your Snapchat profile picture. The first thing you need right here is we need to make sure that we're updated for both sides. If you're watching this, for example, on your Galaxy devices or your Android devices, we just want to make sure we go to your settings. And again, guys, if you're watching this on your Android and I'm using an iPhone, the process is perfectly the same. So in here, go to General, Software Update. As you can see right here, I have no pending updates, so that's a good thing. Next up, open up the application itself for Snapchat. Go to your profile by going there, like so, and click on the gear icon. Look for the one they call Bitmoji, click on that one, and in here you can edit your avatar, choose a selfie, and change my outfit. So choose one of each, depending on your liking. You can edit as it is or change it by choosing a selfie. Now, that being said, once you're done with this one, you can basically go back and your profile has been changed. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.